pull that off. Dang it, man. This is when things start to go awry, right when I'm about to put it back together. Pop this off. I can hang loose there. I must have knocked something loose on this thing. Oh, no, I know what it is. I didn't guide it back in properly. This thing popped off. These two have to lock that in. Simple fix. Okay, put this back in. Tuck our wires back under where they belong. There we go. Should have checked that. Oh, something doesn't feel right. Those paddles look so sick. Why is that sticking? Okay, try this again. Yeah, so you don't really need any electric tools for this. It's only a few turns for any of these things, so doing it by hand is just fine. Probably better since it's all plastic anyway. I noticed all the dust on here, so I might as well clean this off before we put it in. Good thing I touched that before I got it all torqued down. It only goes in one way, so you don't have to worry about that. There's little teeth that guide it in. Then last thing is our airbag. Plugs in. So we tuck all our wires out of the way. Yeah, this thing's gonna get in my way. Dude, looks pretty legit, huh? All right, let's do this. So this thing's all scratched up. So where is the screw? Came with a little screw. Let's look at the other one. Oh, and then our interior project is done. So this thing should just pop off. Should and do. Yeah, there's a little thing that pops there. So this should pop out and pull up. And this is just glued in there. See if I can get behind this so I can see in here. That's one way to do it. What did I break? Okay, good. I see they give you a tiny little screw here, but I don't think we need it. Yeah, we're supposed to take this off. Can you grab me a T, I think it's a T8 little screwdriver? Ooh, I'm getting good. So this little puppy lifts up. That's how you have to do it. You have to put this piece on second, so you really have to pull off this thing. That's the way to do it without breaking it. But mine's jacked up anyway, so I don't want that. So when you pull this up, it allows you to tuck it behind there, I think. So this little piece slides into place, and then there's little pins that slide into the board. You have to line all those up, and then that slides into place. Keep losing the board. Shoot. See that little screw somewhere? What do I do with it? Grab me that other one on the table since I just lost this one. That must be why they give you one. There we go. Snapped in place. Screw that down. It's all good. Here we go. That's gonna drive me freaking crazy. What's up with that? How's it doing that? What did I do wrong? That's just the way carbon fiber sounds. You can hear that, can't you? It's driving me freaking nuts. Guess that's just what it does. Crunches. Shoot. Hope this thing sticks. A little better, but just makes clicky noises. Carbon fiber clickies. Ain't no good for me. That's premium instead of this goofy crap. I was thinking that I wouldn't get carbon fiber because it would look weird, but it looks great because it matches that. Even though I would love to have the carbon fiber dash kit, but they don't make that anymore. I couldn't find one used anywhere, so that's why I did piano black. See how scratched up the screen is. All right, let me get some invisible glass, clean up the rest of the trim, and we got ourselves a done project for the day. Shoot, Mike even may be able to get this edited and up. We're almost ready for sale. Make me an offer. 100 G's, you can have it. That's about what I got into this thing. And all the parts and exclude the labor. Since I make like my the rate I charge is $5,000 an hour. You think my labor is worth that much, Mike?
I think so.
Yeah. Oh, I like that. I like that. You're nice. Okay. Get out of here. We'll find that screw that I lost. Yeah. I did lose that little screw, didn't I?
I think it might be in the seat.
Good thing they sent me another one. I'm like, what do I need this for? Now we know. Have to be real careful with this piano black. Gauge cluster's all scratched up too. That's what happens when regular people own good cars. They always jack them up. You guys love it when I call people regular people, but I'm sure some of you do. Some days I want to be a regular person, not a psycho. Gotta get some Insta pictures of this. Look at this, bro. Bang, bang, bang. Uh-oh. So anyway, that wraps up the project. We'll decide if I'm pulling the steering wheel off and redoing that. So one common question with people is that Alcantara, that they're concerned with care. You know, I've just had, maybe it's because I take better care of things than the average. I've never had a problem with Alcantara. I go to the gym all the time and drive the car with dirty hands. It's just this, you clean it once in a while with Sonex Alcantara cleaner, wipe it down, you know, hit it with a vacuum, and I don't really find myself taking any more care of Alcantara than I do for leather. But that combo, yeah, and I do like the red. I know some of you aren't going to like that, but I think it's cool. Just kind of, just like that subtle little detail, like the yellow lug nuts that just helps to decramp all this car. I think this thing is going to kind of break in. I just don't want it to get stuck. It almost doesn't help that they're long because it doesn't really work up here. You still have to pull in this area, the beveled area. So that's the conclusion of the M5 interior. This puppy's done. There's nothing else I need to do. Those are the last two lingering projects for me. But the interior is pretty well dialed in from where it was when I got it, that's for sure. Pedals, wheel, paddles, this radar detector, blend mount. What else do we do in here? Oh, the trim, piano black trim. Yeah, looks really great. When someone buys this from me, they're gonna get a freaking fantastic M5. So anyway, thanks for watching. I think the steering wheel's good. As always, stay tuned for more crazy. Catch you on the next one.